Is it time to buy or sell the QQQ ETF? In this video, we will delve into the details of QQQ. Our initial report was published on our website on the 8th of January, 2025, and we are now here to offer you a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and activate the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You do not want to miss any important updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Leverage the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies globally today. Please note that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 7th day of January in the year 2025, our system has identified QQQ as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -2.05. Now let's examine the performance of this exchange-traded fund during this time frame. Interestingly, the exchange-traded fund has outperformed our system's expectations, achieving a gain of 0.02%. This equates to an average return of 0.01% per day since it was classified as a sell candidate. The exchange-traded fund is currently situated in the lower part of a weak rising trend in the short term, presenting a favorable buying opportunity. If the lower trend floor at $511.96 is breached, it will initially indicate a slower rate of increase and may also serve as an early warning for a potential trend shift. The existing 3-month trend indicates a possible change of 7.44% over the upcoming 3 months, with a potential return ranging from 6.75% to 14.12%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it projects a 22.94% change over the next 12 months, with a potential return between 13.97% and 29.85%. This corresponds to a price range of $587.24 to $669.10 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for QQQ includes the headline, Green Day on Wednesday for QQQ. The QQQ ETF price gained 0.0175% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 8th of January, 2025. It rose from $515.18 to $515.27. During that trading day, the ETF fluctuated by 1.24%, with a day low at $510.57 and a day high of $516.92. The price has fallen in 6 of the last 10 days, resulting in a decline of 1.45% during this period. Volume decreased on the last day by 6 million shares, with a total of 29 million shares bought and sold, amounting to approximately $15.18 billion. It's important to consider that falling volume on rising prices indicates divergence, which may signal potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $539.15, while the lowest price was $402.92. Currently, the price is 4.43%, or $23.88, below the 52-week high of $539.15, which is also the all-time high for the ETF. The Invesco QQQ Trust, which tracks the NASDAQ 100 index, is feeling the impact of mixed market signals as 2025 unfolds. After a robust 2-year surge of approximately 85%, Wall Street experienced a downturn this week due to strong economic data that now diminishes prospects for Federal Reserve rate cuts. This situation could keep pressure on growth-oriented assets like QQQ in the short term. However, the recent influx of over $31 billion into U.S. equity exchange-traded funds signals strong investor confidence in the sector. Many investors are opting for defensive exchange-traded funds to mitigate risks during this market slump. The resilience of tech stocks, often termed the Magnificent Seven, is expected to provide support for QQQ as investors seek robust, large-cap growth opportunities. As analysts forecast solid gains for 2025, the outlook remains cautiously optimistic. While short-term fluctuations may sway stock prices, the long-term trajectory appears promising, particularly if key tech players continue to perform well. Investing sentiment, driven by previous successes and anticipated growth in areas like artificial intelligence, suggests that QQQ could still thrive, making it a focal point for investors looking to capitalize on the tech resurgence in the year ahead. The following signals have been identified for the QQQ. Volume decreased during the last trading day, despite an increase in prices. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning sign. It is advisable to monitor the ETF closely. Additionally, some negative signals have been generated, which could impact its near short-term performance. The QQQ ETF currently shows sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a more pessimistic outlook for the ETF. There is also a general sell signal based on the relationship between these two averages, as the long-term average is situated above the short-term average. During upward corrections, resistance can be expected at the levels of $515.81 and $517.74. A breakout above either of these levels would generate buy signals. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Monday, the 16th of December, 2024, and to date, it has declined by 4.26%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Here are some additional signals that may interest you. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal 16 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 16 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 3 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal 3 days ago. Now, if we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, buy signal 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 84 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for QQQ. QQQ finds support from accumulated volume at $514.17. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. Generally, the exchange-traded fund exhibits controlled movements, and with good liquidity, the associated risk is considered very low. Over the past day, the fund experienced a range of $6.35 between its high and low points, equating to a change of 1.24%. In the past week, the average daily volatility of the fund was 1.68%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for QQQ, let's briefly discuss some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio may indicate a subdued outlook for the company's future or suggest that the exchange-traded fund is undervalued, highlighting a potential buying opportunity. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for QQQ. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for QQQ is at 516.47. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the ETF, this could serve as a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, QQQ encounters its first support level at 514.17. If this support level remains intact, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. We currently hold a negative assessment for this exchange-traded fund, and there is no stop loss in place. Is the QQQ ETF a good buy? The QQQ ETF shows several negative signals. Despite a positive trend, we anticipate that the QQQ will perform poorly over the next few days or weeks. Thus, we hold a negative evaluation of this ETF. After assessing the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Friday, the 10th of January, we expect the QQQ to open down $1.02, beginning trading at $514.25. We want to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding buying or selling securities. Your investment choices should not solely rely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With best regards from all of us here at StockInvest.